teaming. I'm gonna cry. Oh, you know, well, there was someone behind that box. What is he doing?
I'm still recording because sometimes it doesn't show if I'm recording or so they can't hear y'all, but I can. I have my microphone on, but I'm gonna put a AI voice over in CapCut. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to like put on CapCut and put an AI voice over it.
Yeah, I'm doing the normal microphone though, so they know our live reactions. What is he doing?
When are we gonna stop playing? When all three of us get murdered.
Yeah. Okay, what is this dude doing? Make sure to like and subscribe.
Actually, I don't want to beat one of the beggars.
That's what he deserves! The teamer! Oh wait, that is a teamer.
Oh my god, George, what do you want? You call me
Yo, just go in a private server if you want a team. Like, what? Sorry!
Oh my god, George, do you really want your iPad? George, do you really want your iPad again? I literally just gave it to you earlier. What happened? Did you break it?
Boy, why are you saying that to me? I know, well, you gotta be 9 years old. It's fast. Oh, he just said something to me. Very bad. He said, oh wait. Yes, he said that. Okay, I think it's this boy that said that. Or, it was this boy that was saying that thing. What'd you say? Go grow up. Girl, I can fry you if you want. Because you were being a snotty. No, I can't say that. I'm innocent too. Okay, that's good. Thank you. You come here. Oh my gosh, my friend Lokey joined. Because she joined. What's this dude doing here? I'm gonna read Logan. I'll read her. No, she didn't. Oh, okay, dude. Calm down, yo, bro. There we go, he is. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I guess scared.
Now you're gonna put that teamer voice.
Wait, I never knew this existed. What? Who just died? Oh, can I get the gun, please? No, can I?
Just follow everybody.
Have you seen it yet, Kaylee? Come kill this anime girl. She's going up here. Into the laboratory thing. Right there.
I just want to follow her.
Kill her! Yes, she's right there. Kill her. Now she's going over here.
Just follow her.
Kill her. You kill her. Oh yeah, queen! Is there anyone else? Okay. Yeah, I just found the gun. Can I shoot you, please? under the table. Yeah, I forgot that I was recording the whole time. I'm just gonna record the whole thing and then I'm gonna do cuts and I'm gonna do speeding up, stuff like that. I want a good knife and gun. Okay. I need another ear. I'm innocent, but why am I stuck on shift lock? Oh, never mind. Sam, I don't really like it. No, girl, don't. Oh. Yeah, it's the anime girl. It's the anime girl. Anime girl, anime girl. Oh, it's the anime girl. What is this girl's outfit about? You gotta buy them. You go to shop. You tap the X and then you tap view. And you tap the coins. And you scroll it down and then you'll see them. I press shop. Shop. You tap shop and then you choose the Christmas 2025 view. And then you tap the coins and you scroll down a bit. And then the coins are pretty expensive. I would recommend not buying them. I mean, the keys and coins.
How do I buy keys?
With Robux.
How do I buy keys with Robux?
Girl, didn't I just explain it?
Yeah, but you're going too fast.
Okay, so tap the shop. Make sure you're on the menu. Tap the view. Scroll down until you see the coins. And 25 coins cost 1,700 Robux.
Okay, I'm gonna do it my way.
But my mama keeps on yelling at
I
me.
never got yet.
Oh, she bought it with her own Robux. Remember? This is real MM2, not fake MM2.
Which key? Oh my gosh, I can't get one key because I can get infinite. I don't like it.
It's literally so expensive. I don't get it. Lokey, just buy the coins if you want to get all that stuff.
So I don't really want a pink knife. Why do you have one?
I need another.
I don't copy all that cool stuff.
You could do the rainbow box that cost either 100 diamonds, 1 key, or 1,000 coins.
How do I want diamonds? Well, how do you get diamonds?
Lokey, I don't even know. Oh, girl.
Oh? Wait, is some Colonial murderer? No.
Like what?
I think that's the murderer, Jenny. Huh? I think that's the murderer.
Yeah, she hasn't been a murderer yet, so I don't know.
I'm the murderer again.
Again?
Again?
Yes, again.
Who is the murderer? I thought you could have this.
Whoa. Bro, can you tell me where them people are? They're all running away. I can't get that.
I can tell you because they're hiding in my hiding spot.
Don't
Don't kill me, please.
Yeah.
Don't kill that girl. Don't kill my baby, please. Don't kill my Christy musty brother. Don't have a Christy musty brother. Get away from me. Hey! Oh
Yeah.
my God, George, I hate you so much. I would never buy your iPad again. What are you gonna say? George,
Yo, where's the sheriff?
George, I'm never gonna buy you another cookie or iPad again. If you break it, that's
Where's the
your
sheriff?
fault.
Girl, help me out here.
She's over here. She's trying to be cool. You know? She's trying to be cool, you know?
Where is this girl, bro?
She's trying to use the dynamite.
What dynamite bean? She's really hacking. I can't see her.
Yeah, he's hacking. No, on my screen, she's like, right here.
Girl,
Try to
where?
show her. Get her. Bubbles, get her. Get back there. She's trying to use the bomb. get coins.
Lokey, I give up. I'm not even joking. No, what's this girl doing?
Nothing.
She hacking. Y'all, can you tell me who the hacker is so I can record them?
I'm trying to end the video.
Pookie, I'm finna report you.
Please don't report her. Oh, yeah, she's yeah, we're gonna report you because you keep choking. That's okay, it's just
Bro, who was sheriff? They was hacking.
It's because of her Wi-Fi.
Who's Wi-Fi? No, girl, I killed that girl right in the first round. I killed her first.
She has difficult Wi-Fi. For some reason.
Lokey, I think it was this person that was hacking.
I don't know if she's in the house or in the car, but she got McDonald's Wi-Fi. I'm innocent, bro.
I'm innocent. Now, who's hacking? Who's hacking? I'm not even joking. Who's hacking?
Not me.
I know you're not.
And some don't have Wi-Fi.
Girl, get away from me. He's already trying to shoot me. Oh, that was not even me.
Who is that?
Yo, back away, blondies. It's good though. Guys, it's blondie. She better not dance. Because she looks ugly. She looks absolutely. I'm on level 81. Girl, I do not play this game a lot. Some people have 1,000. Imagine hacking to win. Yeah, kill that girl. Kill that girl. Yes, quick. Oh, no, don't kill me. Girl, we was waiting for you for so long. Don't kill me. Girl, you're not that funny. Girl, can you not? Wait, how do you just hack? You just appeared out of nowhere. Wait, no, because I can't see people. No, I have spectacular Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go get some cottage cheese with mustard and the pepper. Shall I go get some mustard with cottage cheese? No, what they doing? No, they horrendous. Yeah, they is hacking. Yes, okay. Ready? We're gonna all jump out at the same time. Hurry! Okay, so that's all of the video. I'm sorry if we was barely even talking, because I kind of forgot that we were actually recording. But bye. We got the piglets, and I'm Georgie. She's Peppa. She's Mommy Piggy. Bye, y'all. See you later. See y'all later.